Hi guys, so this is Rahul, and in this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 IT skills salary wise, like which skills you should target if you are uh, keeping salary in mind and you want to explore like what are the highest salary in which technologies or what are the skills you should acquire in the next year or since 2022 has started. So is like what has changed in the last 1 or 2 years and what is the latest trend. Okay, so basically we want to capture that. Okay, so let's start. So how do we start? So I don't have a fixed list in mind. So we are going to explore together, you and me. We can explore together. We can see, we can go in the job portals. We will just search for highest salaries in the IT sector and we'll see what are the options available. And that way you will also have a clear idea. You don't have to trust me or anybody for that sake. And you can then shortlist what are the top 10 skills for you. But I am going to top 10 skills for me. So let's start. So let's go to the job portal and we can search for, I will just type software, excuse me, and just software, nothing more, and just search. So as you see, there are a lot of jobs in software around. I can see 2 lakhs, something like that. Yeah. Now, what we can do, we can there are a lot of we can filter, but I am going to filter in a simple way. So let's suppose I will make the experience as uh, 5 years. So let's target first that. Okay, up to 5 year experience. What is the maximum salary? And I will scroll down and I'm going to find the maximum salaries. So if you see, these are the maximum salaries. So these many jobs are available under 5 year experience, and these packages like 25 lakhs package is a very nice package to have. That I'll come to later, but as I'm searching the more higher packages, and I'm trying to see and show you that what are those kind of jobs which offer up to this salary. Is it for real or not? So let's start apply this thing and then see. Here the salary is not mentioned. Okay, but I am sure it will be mentioned somewhere. So let's scroll down. Scrolling down, and if you see, okay, Amazon is offering that kind of package. Okay, so let's suppose I open this job description, what they are looking for. They're offering a very good package, and if you see, what they're looking for is Java, C Sharp, Python, C++, Go, Ruby. Okay, uh, and Rails or Node or PHP. Okay, now if I ask you what is common in all this, like most of these languages, like what is common? C Sharp, Python. Okay, so most of the languages are either open source like Java, Python, and C++ or Go, or it is Microsoft technology like C Sharp. Okay, and this node is also open source. So most of the company are now going for open source like Java or Python or C++ or Go language or Node. Okay, so open source has become very very hot, and if you are learning the language like Go language or Node, you go in very depth in Node or C++, or even Java is very hot nowadays, so you can get very nice package. Definitely here the language is not sufficient you to like master data structures and all those things because this is a product level company, so their standard is very high. But apart from this, let's see what are the other companies in this range. So if I see, um, you can see senior software development front end. Okay. So many have this wrong notion that okay, since you're going for a front end job, you will get less salary. It's not like that. See, when you're working for top-notch companies like Hotstar or these are like top-notch companies because you're making a product which like not millions, billions of people are going to use on their mobile devices. Then the company are looking for very, very high quality engineers. So even it's a front end, if you are very very good in that, like exception in that, you can earn around 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs package like that. It is you can just search that thing. That is the standard which these kind of companies pay to a UI developer or a front end developer. Okay, but then your quality should be that at that level. Okay, so this is also one of the ways. So I am giving you two perspective. One perspective is that okay, list down by skills like Java is the top, then we have C Sharp, whatever. Like this is one way of to things, but at the same time, don't just focus on this thing. Like focus on other things also. Like if you are working on a very good company like Amazon, Hotstar, like this, irrespective of the skills, you're bound to get higher salaries because even you're working on React in Microsoft, you'll get a very nice salary. And so it depends. So there's two ways you can increase your salary. Either learn good skills or learn one skill but go very very in depth in that, even it is Java or Node.js or whatever you're learning, go in depth in that, then you will learn, get a very nice salary. Okay, so there's two ways. Now, what if I uh, search for other okay. Apart from this, what are the other offer? Hiring backend engineer. Now, backend engineer are also very very hot in demand. You can see 5 to 8 year experience and 40 lakhs to 55 lakhs package. This is for a engineer developer. Now you can see what is the like exception with data structure, algorithm, multi-threading, concurrency. Okay, Java, Python, Golang. So I guess these languages very very hot. Okay, so let me list it down. Okay, so if I will divide based on the languages, so I can say number one is still is Java. Okay, that is the de facto standard in the industry. Okay, that is the still ruling. Second, I will rate as Python because Python has also become very popular nowadays and companies are embracing it. And third, I will say Go. So these three languages are very very hot. Most of companies are looking for these and okay. Now see these things. Okay. Now this is one thing. Then if you see other salaries, other kind of jobs where salaries mentioned, let me search. So senior software developer up to 75 lakhs. Oh, I don't know what this they are looking for. So I don't know. They have not mentioned much, but you can see Java, C, C++. I don't know this kind every time. So if we scroll down and see what are the software engineer. Okay. Okay. If I go and search more, then what I'm getting? I am getting okay. So what I'm going to do in the salary wise, I'm going to apply one more filter because yeah. So I go up and salary wise I will also select between 25 to 50 lakhs and then see, you can see senior software engineer 19 to 25. Okay, Java, Spring Boot. Then you have again this is Java and salary is nice here also C++. Mm, you can see again Java. Okay. Uh, this is you can see again Java 5 to 10, 25 lakhs package. I'll not say it is very high, but yeah, it's not bad. But if I search for yeah, you can see most of the jobs are in Java, and then uh, okay. So this way I'm not able to filter. So let me put some keyword. It's difficult to filter like that. Okay. So Java we have seen. Apart from Java, let's suppose we have seen Go language. Go language is also very in very demand. So if I search Go and the search, you can see Go. Go is also in definitely in high demand. So Go, Golang, okay. You can see Go, Golang, and okay. So I'm going to type Golang and try to search. You can see here Golang developer, Capgemini. We are also getting a nice package. Okay, and then I don't know why it is not able to search properly, but I can filter here from the salary part. If I go up and I can search the salaries, I can put 25 to 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs. So this thing I will try to search. You can see this you have already seen, and then we have 4 to 8, 25 lakhs package, and here also you can see 5. This is Golang also is also in demand, and they're also paying nice salary. You can see here. Uh, yeah. Okay. What else? So if I go and search C++, C++ is still in demand. People, you can forget this thing, but C++ is still in demand. And if I go and salary wise, I can go and filter the salaries. I'll say, okay, give me the higher packages, whether it's available or not. You can see fintech startup So C++ developer is also paid nice salaries. You can see C++ developer 25 lakhs package, and yeah, C++ is also very nice package. 3 to 8 years experience till 25 lakhs package is available, and you can see 5 to 10 years 30 lakhs package. So yeah, so C++ is also in demand. I will not say this is top. I will not include into this thing because the number of jobs is not very high. Number of jobs are limited compared to Java, Python, or even Go. Go also has a lot of openings. Compared to that, the C++ opening will be less. But salary-wise, it will definitely have a very good salaries. Even you can target more than Java in some of the cases. Depends on the companies in the work and all those things. But yeah, C++ is also very nice to have skills, and it is a great evergreen career. Okay, still it is in used everywhere. Okay, so this is all one of the things. And one more thing people forgot, like most people ignore that thing, is Linux. Now Linux people, most of the people just ignore that. Okay, this is like what is the career in Linux, but you have lot of great career in Linux, and in Linux also we have development. Linux is not just for admin. We also have development in Linux. You can do kernel development, system development, and there's a lot of very nice opportunity waiting for you in the what I can say in the Linux field, in this field. And this is a very like different field but very exciting field. You should always surely explore this thing also. So if you see Linux, I can show you. This is support job. They're also paying less good salary. You can see, but I'm not going to focus support thing. But if you see this kind of jobs like C++, Linux, and this is you can see it is also paying a nice salary. Then I can show you more Linux device driver developer. This kind of jobs. This is also will pay you very high kind of packages. So device driver is also like a developer who's developing on Linux. So Linux is also very nice to have. People overlook that thing, and but yeah, just pay on. If you are a college graduate and you're passing out, you can think your career in C++ in Linux, because what is the problem that everybody is running the rat race. सबको एक ही चीज करना है, और like I don't I don't want to go there, but it's not good for like for any country or any society to develop unless until we have diversity. Okay, we will not grow to the level we should. So आप decide करो कि what are the alternative fields in, and there is a demand. It's not like there are a lot of jobs. I will not say there are lakhs of jobs, but there are still good number of jobs in Linux. So you can explore that thing and see what are the option Linux, Unix, what are the companies paying for. Okay, and C++ developer, you can see C++ developer. Okay, so these are also very nice salary. Linux program, you can see they're paying very nice salary. 3 to 8. So in 3 years, experience can go up to package of 20 lakhs. So they're paying you good salaries. Company is going to pay you good salary if you know things. If you know things, and definitely you can get nice salary. Okay. So what else you can think of, like okay, Linux we have done, C++, Python, Java, C Sharp. What else? So I will say there are a lot of other things, like if I search Node also, in Node also you get nice salary. If I search Node, you can also explore nice salary in this thing. You can see 3 to 5 experience, 15 to 17 lakhs package. So Node also is having a very like uh, and Node is in like demand. So you can see a lot of jobs for Node, 38,000. So it is in demand wise, like number of job wise also you have lot of opportunities. So I will not say it is very highly paid, but yeah, in some cases, again I'm saying your salary will not just depend on the technology. Again, it depends on the kind of the company, kind of work you do. So if you go in like more like highly in high tech companies, then definitely your salary is irrespective of your language, like whether you do Java or Node or Python, that doesn't matter there, because anyway you're doing a high tech work. So when you're doing a high-tech work, you get more salary, more complex work. Okay, so but if you see Node.js is also in good demand, it is paying good salaries. And if I search, I can also go here and search for filter. So let me go and do that because I've already done for every technology. Let me do for this thing also. So like if I search for higher packages, you can see higher packages are available. You can see Node.js developer, they're paying up to 30 lakhs package in 80 of experience. It's a very nice salary. But if you see the skills is what? Node.js, then Lambda is on the Azure services, microservices, and you to know Devops also, and a lot of things. SQL, no SQL. So it is not easy. It's not just Node.js, it is complete a backend developer. Okay, microservice architecture, you have to know databases, SQL, no SQL, everything. Then you only can expect a nice salary. Okay, here also you can see good salary they are paying. Okay, 10, 5 to 10 year experience. So they are paying you good salary. Okay, here also you can see good salary, 4 to 7 years experience. Very nice salary. So Node.js is also very nicely paid. Okay, you can see this salary. So Node.js also backend developer, definitely you can explore. And yeah, you can see React Node full stack developers also in demand. So yeah, it is also, so definitely you will note Node also as one of the technologies. Node is also in demand. Okay, and it is paying good salaries. Okay, so these are the top technologies. What else we can have? Okay, sorry I'm taking your more time, but I want to do a comprehensive video like today. I may take 10-15 minutes more, but yeah, if you have got enough information you want to discontinue is fine, but I will request you to just bear me for 5-10 minutes more. I'll try to complete it fast. Okay, other thing is also in is .NET is also in with good demand. So .NET also you can go and search. Okay, and you can see the, I'll show you the salaries. If I go here and I'll go down and salary wise I search. So salary wise, I'll say it is not very highly paid, but it is also not underpaid. It is a good career. You can pay, you can again pay good salaries. You can see here 5 to 10, 15 to 20, 30 to 25. Okay, here also you can see 15 to 25. I'll say .NET is not very highly paid, but again it depends on the job. Here you can see it is, they are paying you a good salary here, 25 to 40 lakhs. So it depends on the companies also. So it is not like that. Okay, once you have chosen a technology, अच्छा .NET choose कर लिया तो अच्छा you can't earn more. It's not like that. Then you have to work. You have to work on your skills. You have to acquire additional skills. Okay, and then you can, like, you can learn cloud. You can learn. Let's suppose I open this thing. What they're asking for. Understand. Try to understand. So they're asking for C sharp, then production system. How do you know? How do you make the architecture system? They're expecting a lot of things. How do you manage, monitor, maintain? So if you have done this kind of work, then definitely you are eligible for nice packages. So again, salary also depend on the experience. What experience you have in the past, that will also decide your salaries in the future. Okay, this is not just a technology. What experiences you have and what companies are looking for is also important. .NET Angular, I will say it is not highly paid, definitely it's not. Okay, but React and .NET is very nicely paid. Okay, .NET, you can see this thing, JavaScript, and this is also nice salary. Full stack .NET Core, 525 to 5 to 7, 30 lakhs package, remote, and this is all remote jobs. Okay, so it's not like that. You can see this also is giving nice salaries. So .NET, Angular, full stack in .NET is also having nice. You can see here C Sharp .NET and Azure developers is having nice salaries. So it depends. But yeah, .NET Core, .NET is a new technology on the front. So it is also nicely paid. But yeah, most of the company will not pay you very high. Some companies can pay you uh, like decent salaries. Okay, but yeah, it's not. It's also a very nice career to have. You can see. Not don't see this thing, but yeah, you can see the salaries offered. So it is also a very good career if you want to pursue .NET. That is also very nice salary. You can have .NET full stack, .NET Core, you can see React JS lead, they're paying up to 30 lakhs package, 8 lakhs, very nice salaries. So nowadays, these are also one of the, like, people don't know this thing. So yeah, but .NET, and I'm writing .NET Core. This is a new framework. So you should learn these things more, .NET Core, and apart from that, you can learn some cloud technology, how to, because this is also Microsoft technology. Azure is also Microsoft technology, like Azure Cloud. So .NET is very much aligned with the Azure Cloud. So you should also learn about Azure also, if you are targeting .NET. My advice. Okay, don't learn AWS if you're targeting for .NET. You can learn, but better you learn Azure. That will have more job prospect for you. Okay, you can see here also. So it is also like nice. I'll say it is also nice, not very less or very, like most of the job may have like similar package with Node or Python. It's not like that it will be less. It depends. Again, it depends on the job. Okay, what skills otherwise we can have apart from this? These are the more like famous like technology. Okay, if I search PHP, should be I should you choose PHP as for high paying jobs? Okay, let's demystify this thing. So if I go and search PHP and where's that? Where's the salary thing? Yeah. So if I go in the salary, if I search 25 to 50 is available. Okay, let's see why it is available. It's real or not in PHP. So if you see PHP salaries, let me check. Hmm, hiring PHP developer and they are paying up to 35 lakhs package for 9, which is a very nice salary. Not less than .NET or Node.js or Python, or it's almost the same. So why the PHP developer? Because generally this is a mindset that okay, PHP is very less. You have get less salary, but that will not be the case every time, because see, PHP is the language, but apart from PHP, what you know, you should know like JavaScript, jQuery, and backend Angular, like front end language also you should know. Then databases. So you have to know a lot of things. Then only you can expect a nice salary. But yeah, PHP also have good career. It's not like the you can see here PHP web developer 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs package, 8 year experience, which is almost same, which we have seen. The kind of packages here. Here we also see this job and PHP developer with Laravel. Nice salary, 30 lakhs package. PHP developer 30 lakhs 30 lakhs salary. So it is also giving you a nice salary, not I'll say less compared to that thing. So PHP can also be on your list. Okay, don't ignore PHP. PHP is also still in demand and will be in demand. Okay, because a lot of development is already happening in PHP and a lot of projects are already going on PHP. So don't just ignore PHP. PHP is like still having lot of jobs. Okay, so if I search more, I'll get something. Node.js, this is Node.js, but yeah, PHP is also okay. I will not say it's very like lot of jobs are there, but yeah, PHP is also one of the things you should not ignore. You should also check. Okay, so what kind? So I will put PHP not here, but maybe a little bit lower on the number. Like PHP can be also on your list. Okay, what else? I mean, I may, okay, I will see more career options. What are more? Okay, now let's suppose I search uh, Azure. Now cloud is also in demand, cloud things and all those things. If you search Azure, same experience, 5 years. I'm not changing it. If I go to the I go to salary part. Where is the salary part? Sorry, it's not going. Let me scroll the salary part. If I go here, 25 to 50 lakhs package, there are a lot of jobs. Let's see. You can see Azure Devops. DevOps is also like very nicely paid nowadays. So DevOps, like many people you know, DevOps is also good career. ETL developer is also a nice career. This is like this thing like this is like a data engineer, which can happen. Not you have to learn C sharp, SQL, lot of things, and this is also very nicely paid. Azure Data Factory, I made a previous video on this thing only. Data DevOps is also you can see good salaries. Here also you can see cloud platform developer. This is not so this thing. Senior Azure developer, they are giving you good salaries. Microsoft data engineer. The last time also made this video that Azure data engineer also getting very nice salary. Okay, you have to learn what big data, Python, Azure data factory, how does it work? If possible, learn big data also. You can see the skills, and they're paying you very nice salary. So this is one thing, and mm, sorry, you can see the salaries. So I will put uh, Azure architect. So Azure has also a lot of like different profiles. Azure developer, Azure DevOps, Azure data engineer, Azure security. There are a lot of things are there. Azure infra engineer. So depends. But particularly, I would like to mention this thing. Azure data engineer is also very highly paid. If you're looking for a good option, you can always look for this thing. You see the salaries is very nice. Okay, and in future also you'll get very nice salaries definitely. So if you're looking for nice packages, definitely this can have like yeah. So I'll show you. Where is that? Yeah. DevOps is also nice salary you can see. So definitely I have to mention DevOps somewhere because that will be injustice. I don't want to mention DevOps, but before DevOps, I will put definitely put data engineer as very highly paid. And in data engineer, you can go for Azure or AWS. That is up to you. But I will say try for Azure. Azure is also in very hot demand, and definitely you will face less competition there. Okay. So data engineer, Azure data engineer also is very nicely paid. Okay, you can go for that thing. DevOps is also good. You can go for that thing also. Front end I have missed, so let me cover front end and see what are the options there. If I search React and search, React is also very nice career. Lot of openings we have. Almost every company is hiring for React nowadays. So if I go and search for salaries here, I can see how many jobs. A lot of jobs are there. You can see 1400 jobs here and this job. So if I search, see, I still have React developer. So now this thing, React developer, they are giving you 30 lakh package. Now tell me this thing, how this salary is less than a backend developer? Backend developer is also getting the same salary. Front-end developer is also getting the same salary. So it is not like that. See, earlier front-end developer was done using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. Nowadays it has become Angular and now React has become very popular. So the importance of front end is also increased. Okay, so React developer is also getting at par salary with the backend developer. I have made videos also on previously on that thing. So React developer is also very nice option. And the advantage is that you don't have to go in backend database. You will focus on the front end and that's it. So React I will put somewhere definitely I will not put under PHP. Definitely not. I will put I will just cut this thing and I'll put it here and I'll put React here. So React is also very nice to have. Okay, so React you can also go for. And definitely I will prefer you to go for React Native because lot of openings are there and people are not focusing. People are learning React, but people are not learning React Native. You can get more opportunities there and more salaries in React Native. Believe me. Okay, this is the technique I used when I opened my institute 2 years back. Okay, what is the problem I when students come to me, sir, say, okay, sir, I don't have a job. What does it do? I just see the demand and supply. Fit the students where the demand is very high, but the supply is less. So automatically you get absorbed easily. Okay, so always use this simple, like simple principle. It's not any You don't have to think too much, overthink. Just think simply. If the people are not paying attention to those technologies, still they have a lot of opening. Definitely, there you can see full stack developer, JavaScript, and I guess I don't know back in Java. Nice salary. Here also you can see the React Node, good salary. React developer. Also, you can this is just front end. So again, it is a myth that okay for only full stack is earning. No, you can see it is full stack, same package, and here only React. So it's very hard to differentiate nowadays. Okay, if you learn two skills, okay, you might get better salary. But even if you learn one skill properly, that then also you can have the good opportunities in the market. It is not very much. There's no too much variation. So React is also very nice. You can see less. You can see at like under 5 years they're paying 30 lakhs package. So it is very highly paid. Okay, front end developer. If you know things properly, you can earn lot of like good salaries in this field. Okay, you can see here for 30 to 40 lakhs. React native you can see 15 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Okay, just 2 to 5 years experience. So just pay attention. Also, this React is also having very nice package. React native is also having, like if I just search React native just to show you. So this is used for mobile app development, and you can see the package will be very high. I can show you in the filter. If I go down and I just select, you can see they're paying very nice salaries. And if I can search, you can see 33 lakhs package, 10 years experience. And then here also you can see the same thing I have seen permanent work from home, 5 to 10, 30 lakhs package, React Native. So React Native is also one of the things you can explore because definitely you will get, I will not say surely you get more salary, but definitely you get better opportunity in React because a lot of people are learning React, but less people are learning React Native. So that way you can have more. So you can see here also it is definitely having a little bit higher salary, not too much high, but yeah, you can see React Native 35 lakhs package in 7 years. So definitely React Native has a demand. They are paying you very nice salary. That is up to you whether you want to grab it or not. That is up, I will leave it up to you. Okay, so this is one of the important point you can note down, front end developer point of view. And then okay, I will put PHP on number 10. Okay, so what could be the like other like some other technology which is still in people I have not focused. Maybe there could be, but I've tried to cover most of development technologies. I am not like Linux also I've put. I guess I forgot to put Linux, but Linux you can put somewhere here only on the top only. Okay, but Linux will have limited openings, not too much openings. But yeah, Linux is also very nicely paid. So Linux can be also a good career for you. So just think about C++, Linux, and all those things. Okay, not too many jobs, but very nice. So if you do very well in this thing, you can go places. So that is the advantage of these kind of fields because you have because what happens when less people are working in some field, na, then companies are running after quality engineers and they're not getting it. So they are ready to pay good nice packages. So I will not say it is too much variation, but yeah, definitely I have seen like compared to like Java is still number one, and I will show you in a moment why it is still number one. Okay, so Java definitely has a like distinct advantage. Java, Python, Go has a distinct advantage because these are the things used in the backend systems, and definitely these things has like advantage, like definitely advantage compared to other things. Okay, and then second is Node.js, .NET, data engine is fine. Is data engine is also very nice. Okay, so you can have very nice package in data engineers also. Okay, so but yeah, Java, Python, Go, and then data engineers. These are not. I not say don't think it is like 4 or 5. This I'm writing. It may be like little bit here and there. Okay, but yeah, I'm just trying to give you a little bit a broad perspective. Okay, and if I go and the search, let's suppose Azure data engineer. Okay, the search. I'll show you the packages they are getting. If I go down, Okay, so you can see the salaries, and salaries are also very high. So I will show you. So you can see this package PySpark big data, and this is like, okay, fine, not the issue. Then you can see the package 2 to 5 big data engineer. Then Azure data engineer, you can see less experience but more package. Okay, so data engineer wise also you have nice packages. Okay, so you can explore this thing also. But again, you can see 14 lakhs, 30 lakhs package. If I go and search more, you can see these are nice packages. Okay, so packages are available here. Okay, and yeah, so it is not available. It's available. And if I remove this filter of 5-year experience, I will not put 5. If I put 10 or 11, this see the packages. This is available in the long term if you're a senior developer. Okay, in the long term, how much the company is offering you. So if I go up and if I go down and I put, okay, salary is already filtered. Okay, apply. So just see this the salary wise. You can see the packages they are offering. Not sure why it is not showing here. Let me check. So this is giving a nice package, but you can all definitely go to very high packages. This is not also very high, but again you can see this is good salary like 30 to 40, but this is for more senior profile. But data engineer 20 to 30 lakhs 30. This you can see senior data engineer 30 to 45. This is like very nice salary. So data engineer also has a that advantage that the scope is more for complex things. Try to understand. If you work on React, to work on very complex things, you'll get less chance to work on those things. But if you're working on a backend engineer like data engineer, database design, and big data and all those things, and then there's scope for going more advanced. Like you can go for highest because ultimately the video is like where you can explore the more salary. So data engineers will definitely recommend because it was not showing properly, but definitely I know for this thing for a fact that data engineer can definitely get a nice salary. Okay, and yeah, so you can see senior data engineer 30 40 lakhs, and I've seen higher package. So definitely data engineer is also very nice to have. Okay, nowadays. Okay, so if you want to go for more complex things and definitely data engineer can be your, you can go for this thing also. Okay. Okay, I guess video is taking too much time. So what is one is left? What we can think of? Uh, I guess I've covered most of the things. Okay. Okay. Let me cover your favorite. I've kept for the last purposefully. What is the salaries? Is it the highest paid or really or not? I will not put 10. I will put 5 only. And let's see. Okay. So if I go down, if I go up, if I go here and select the salary 25 to 30 lakhs 50 lakhs. Okay, data, not data engineer, I guess data science. So if you search data scientist, and you can see that this, now this package is very high or not, you decide. I'm going to go and you can see the packages. Now these kind of packages was available in React Native, Azure Data Engineer, even in .NET, and Java is more than this package. So how it is highest paid? I don't understand this thing. Okay, so don't go for the hype. This is highest paid. Nothing is all bullshit. Okay, again I'm sorry for my word, but it's all bullshit. This is a marketing campaign. Okay, you can earn like higher packages in React Native, or full stack, Node, Python, Go language. You can earn better than that. Okay, so don't go with that thing. It's not. I'm not saying this is not in demand, but it's not the thing which is projected. The projection is very wrong, just to get your fees, and and then you're left with nothing. Okay, so I don't find very high salaries here. Okay, data science. Even I don't find the jobs. Don't know why. Okay, nothing is more. Nothing is like that. It's like now become common skills. So don't go for like, even if I search NLP or machine learning. Okay, let's suppose like I search that. You can see NLP machine learning. Then this package is available for other technologies also. So how it is highest paid? It's not like that. No, don't go with this thing. Okay, so the packages will not, again, depends on the quality of work, quality of the companies, and if you learn basic things, you're not going to pay highest packages, something like that. You have to learn good skill and go in depth. Deep learning, this package. So this package will not say, well, it's a high at any from any, because people who are having 5 6 years are getting this packages. So I'm not saying it is at all high. So this is not very high, and this is going for the things. Okay, and okay, so I guess we are done. So I will put. So you're saying data science is not very high. This I'll put for namesake. I will put it not very high. Like I will even put it. This is more highest paid. So if you go for DevOps, we'll earn more than this, because DevOps is very in very high demand because of the demand. See, again, salary depend on demand, not this skill and complex. It is a multiple factors are there. Okay, so it depends. Tomorrow it may happen React, a lot of engineers are like, React has become very popular, everybody is learning that, the salary may come down. It depends on the timing, but right now in 2027 22, this is the scenario. Okay, Java, I can predict it is going to be there for the long while. So Java, I can just assure, if you're going in Java and you're become an expert in Java or Go on these things, definitely you are there for long term. Developer, the developers are there for the long term. You have a lot of demand for developers and skills. There's like plenty of jobs, and startups are ready to pay anything for that thing. So this is one thing, but at the same time, you can say, if you choose any of these things, you choose data science, you choose DevOps, even you choose React or .NET, if you go deep in that thing, that is also alone to give you very high salaries. Choose one thing, become master in that thing. There's two way to increase the salary. Either choose a skill with more packages, or try to, whatever is your skill, become master in that thing. Okay, so I'll leave you with this thing. I will end this video. We've already taken a lot of time, more than what I anticipated. Sorry for that thing, but I hope you will take good information from today's video. And if you are thinking of like learning them something, and what to learn, what not to learn, you can just think on that thing. So with this, I will stop the video, and thank you for watching. See you soon.